Welcome back to Sauté TV. Today, we're making a light, flavorful Filipino classic, shrimp with bottle gourd. This dish is all about fresh, juicy shrimp, tender bottle gourd, and a bright, tangy tomato sauce that comes together in just minutes. It's simple, healthy, and packed with umami flavors that your whole family will love. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even as a side dish to jazz up your rice. Ingredients: 1 medium bottle gourd, yupo, peeled and sliced. 200 to 250 g shrimp, peeled, tails optional. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 small onion, chopped. 15 medium tomatoes, sliced or quartered. 2 to 3 stalks scallions, green onions, chopped. 1 to 1/2 cups water, adjust if needed. 1 to 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Fish sauce or salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Optional, a little ginger to remove shrimp smell. Procedure: heat oil in a pan. Sauté garlic and onion, add ginger if using, until fragrant. Add the shrimp and cook briefly until pink. Add all 15 tomatoes and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until they start releasing juice. Add the bottle gourd and stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour in water, cover, and simmer until the bottle gourd is tender, about 7 to 10 minutes. Add the scallions. Season with fish sauce or salt and black pepper. Adjust to taste. Stir briefly and turn off heat. And there you have it, sautéed shrimp with bottle gourd, a fresh and flavorful Filipino home-cooked favorite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Sauté TV for more authentic and easy Filipino dishes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a delicious recipe. Share this with your friends and family and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.